Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I'm going to be sharing with you some goodies that I received from Madam Glam. They actually sent me a few more of their gel polishes, some cuticle oil, and as well as a UV light. So let me go ahead and show you guys what those colors are. So I went with a blueberry cream. This is what that looks like. It's like a light blue color. And then I got the Bombshell. This is what that looks like. And as you can see, like, that is the color right there on the top. And it has like sparkles in it. Super cute. And then I got a Candy Muncher nail polish. This is what that looks like. This is what the color looks like on the top here. Then I received the Querida, and this is what that looks like. And as you can see, that's the color right there at the tip. And the color which I am wearing now is the Sakura, and that's what that looks like. It's like a light purple, like a light lilac color, but in some lights it does look like a little pink is in there as well. They also sent the top coat and the base coat gel as well. Gel polish, I should say, right here. And this is what the cuticle oil looks like. And what I was most excited about was the UV light that I received, and this is what it looks like here. I was super duper excited about that because the one that I had was just a really tiny one, but with this larger one I'm able to put in my whole hand and it just saves me so much more time. But this is what my nails are looking like. And I must add that I am getting better and better at doing my own nails. And it's kind of fun switching out, you know, the different colors. And like I said, with this big UV light, it just makes it go by even faster. So I would just like to thank Madam Glam for sending me all of these really cute polishes as well as the UV light. And if you are interested to see how I applied this gel polish here on my nails, all you have to do is just keep watching. And before I go, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.